Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Can you pronounce that Ndebele sound? If you can't, don't worry. I'm going to teach you how to do it in this video. I'm also going to give you at least 5 words that use the ta sound, and we're also going to go through some simple sentences using the ta sound. So let's do it. Say it after me, please. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. So this, how you make the sound is, you make sure you push your tongue to the roof of your mouth, okay? Then when you release it, you are gonna make the ta sound, like this. Ta. So your tongue starts off at the top, then you release it and make the ta sound. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Okay, let's get into some words that use the ta sound. That way it's gonna make more sense for you. The first word I have for you is itawe, meaning church. Itawe. So church is also isondo, but we also have itawe. Okay? Itebo. Itebo. Itebo is an idea. All right? Next, ucingo, a wire. Ucingo, followed by tola. Tola means refine. So if you wanted to say she is a refined girl, you'd go with unoma utolegile. Okay? Unoma utolegile. That's how you say noma is refined. All right. And then we have upa. Upa. You know how you grab peanuts, for example? So if you wanted to say grab some peanuts, you would say upa amazambane. Upa. Okay. So let's explore a verb that uses the ta sound, and that way I'll teach you some simple sentences using this same Ndebele sound. Right. So the verb is cela. Cela means ask. Cela. Okay. Here is a sentence for you. Ugogo ucela amanzi. Grandma is asking for water. Ugogo ucela amanzi. Okay? And if it is you want to ask for time, okay? Ngicela isikhathi. May I have some time? Or what's the time? That's the same question. Ngicela isikhathi. Here is another one you would use. Ngicela ukudlula. May I pass? Ngicela ukudlula. Okay? And then if you wanted to say ask from dad, cela kubaba. Okay? Cela kubaba. Ask from father. Lastly, the question, what are you asking for, is ucelani. What are you asking for? Ucelani. I hope you're getting it. I hope you are practicing these pronunciations as I'm giving them to you. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions or any requests for me to teach you something in Ndebele. I'm here for that. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video. And if you got some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you keep seeing more and more of these educational videos. See you in the next video.